Hello and welcome back friends. In this video I will explain you how we can use the not equal instruction in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this lecture, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's start. First of all, I will open my schematic manager software. Can find it. Go to the click on finish and we can create here a new not equal and go to PLC and upload station to PG. Click on view, click OK and update this one CPU 314IFM and click OK. Which program is inside your PLC that will be appear. Now this program is ready. Go to the blocks and click on OB1 and as per seeing here is the old program is now which is inside our PLC that shows. As per previous lecture already I explained about this one, compare instruction and equal instruction. Here you can floating, yeah, this is comparator and this one first we equal and now this one not equal. This already this is selected. If you like to be again check, I will delete this one and here this one is equal. You can see this is the equal instruction. In previous lecture I explained, but if you need this one, now we will explain about this one not equal instruction. This we will be delete and just that same data we will be put it here inside this MW0 that's we will be put for this increment means we like to be compare some data after we can check our output and here we can give this same QW0 and that one, that same counter we no need to be replaced and just download this program and click to monitor and now our program is ready and as per seen you can see this one. Now this MW0 is with QW0 not equal and we're using this one not equal instruction, so our output is on. As I give the some signal at I0 dot I124.1, after this will be go less MW0, so I will give the signal at I124.0. You can see now this is equal and our output is off, and as I one more signal give, so you can see this output is on because of this instruction is not equal. If we use this equal instruction, after this will be After equal, this will be on. But if you using this not equal instruction, this means when any value not with equal with each, after needs to be on. So it will be continue on, but when this value will be complete with compare with QW0, after you can see this output is now off. So this way you can use this not equal instruction. If not understand anything, I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.